see them, Matthew? Ethan, what do you think of those fireworks?
They're pretty neat, aren't they? Those are big ones.
Those are big ones.
Yeah.
You like those?
Flowers.